Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and we got some minute math tricks. Let's compare fractions the easy way. 7 nines or 5 6? Which one's greater? Let's use multiplication. 6 times 7, 42. Alright, so we're going up to the left there. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 is greater, therefore 5 6 is greater than 7 nines. Let's compare some fractions. 13 over 7 and 19 over 10, which one's greater? Let's bring things up. Cross multiply. 10 times the 13. So 10 times the 13, 130. Other side, 7 times the 19. 7 times 19 is a 133. 133 is clearly larger, meaning that 19 over 10 is greater than 13 over a 7. Let's compare some fractions. 23 over 33 and 7 over 10. Which one is greater? Watch this. 10 times a 23, bring it up. 10 times a 23, easy, 230. 33 times 7 though is a 231. 231 is bigger than 230, therefore 7/10 is a larger fraction. So let's compare some fractions. 9 sevenths, 6 fifths. Which one is greater? Bring it up. 5 times a 9 comes first. 5 times 9, 45, got it. 7 times a 6, bring that one up there. 7 times a 6 is a 42. 45 is larger, meaning 9 sevenths is greater than 6 fifths. Let's compare some fractions. 5 eighths and 8 thirteenths. Which one is greater? Let's do a trick here. 13 times a 5. 13 times a 5 is a 65. 8 times an 8 is a 64. 65 is just barely larger than 64, meaning that 5 eighths is greater than 8 thirteenths. Now you know some minute math tricks.